Okay, now that we are done with the menu, so we all know how we can change the menu. Let's move on to doing other editing within the theme. You all know how you can go about editing each page. So let's take it one step at a time. So this is the hero, that's the welcome page. This first section you are seeing here is the welcome page. So we are doing logistics website, right? So that means we have four things that we are looking into. Let me open my pixel. I don't know if the site is back, because recently the site has been down. So I want us to edit this home page, this welcome page. We'll edit this part. We keep going down to where we to what we can achieve, right? Oh, this is still loading. I think this site has been down for a while. I don't know if it's from my own end, but it has been misbehaving lately. This is where we can download images. So I don't know, maybe the site is going through few network issues. So but that one is by the way, right? So now we know that here, this is the hero button, right? Or the welcome bar. And this welcome bar, there are four different slides. One, two, three, four. Then the fifth one is the first one, right? If I'm correct, this is the let's say this is engineering the quality, which is one, right? Two, three, four, then five should still be the first one. So we have four different slides here, right? So we are working on a logistic website, like we all know. The first one, we are working on dispatch riding, that is riders. Then we are looking at ship, we are looking at road, that's all these chartered buses and the rest. Then we are looking at air. So we need images of these four things I just mentioned. And I don't know why this our site is not working, because this is where we are. Let me see if it will give me what I want, because this site has been really, it has been misbehaving since the last class. I don't know if it's now working properly. Why doubt? It's still not back. I think so. So we just have to find alternative for these images while we wait for them to resolve this. We are going to find image alternatives, right? So okay. So like I told you in the last video, you can edit this particular theme through the home page, right? Now the first thing you have to do for you to be able to edit this, okay, let me open my chat GPT, because that's where I'm using to get most of this content that I will be using, right? So let me allow it to load. This is it. Let me collapse this, to even collapse this, close that bar, right? So yeah, so this is the tag, the prompt I gave my chat GPT, right? Okay, this one is for the YouTube tutorial. Sorry. Okay. Okay, this is the one we are going with, right? So this is a prompt I gave my chat GPT for this website, for those that we started the physical classes with, right? This the prompt that I gave it. I'm building a logistic website with WordPress. In my homepage, I want to add four different slideshows with images and content, right? The logistics will capture road travel, air travel, ship travel, and rider services. Please give me a concise content and title for each. So like I told you here, we are going to have four different slides here, right? So we are going to find images, but let's start with the write-ups. So now the first one is road travel. So this road travel now, this is what I think we're going to do. This road logistics, this type, which is seamless road, right? Just give me a minute. Get this done.
Freight.
This is road travel, which is seamless road freight solution. Um, let's know where we are putting them so that it will look very neat. So when we come to this place now that we're having values, right? And we values, we can put the road travel here, right? Then this one here, this title can come over here, right? And this content can be the content here. Let me move this to this place. Okay, so yeah, so let's do that. Let me copy this road travel. I copy it. I will have to click on the edit section, which is this. Then I will click on it. That's the super headline. We are going to change it with road travel. Then this, we go to that other place, right? To now go to this place, we change it to it's not bad here. Then we'll copy all this content. Now the next thing we are going to find is images, but we'll just copy any image, right, from Google for the meantime, although it's not going to give us good quality, right? Let's just say road travel. Let's see what we have. um it's cars. Let me see what we are going to have. This I'll just say Chatham. Okay. Which one are we going to use now? Right. Okay. Let me see if that will give me what I want. I'm just looking for a good picture, right? Um, I want it to be more of black. Eh, um, okay. I think this is actually not bad, or this rather. Um, one of this is actually not bad. I think this. Let's. This is iStock. iStock sometimes they used to get. I think we'll just go with this. Let's save this image. Let's save this image let's change this here to the one we just downloaded. Then let's upload it. That's why sometimes it's very nice that you upload all the images you use. Yeah, although this will not give it a higher quality, right? But let's just manage it here. Oh, the picture came out well, right? I think it came out well. So we are going to use this, but it's not, the quality is not high compared to the other one. So this button here, view our services, I think is okay as viewing our services. Do you know why? So that everything we are listing here is more like our services, right? So this view our services is okay there, so that people can easily go to the services and view on something. So we are going to add the link once we get to the level of our, once we are done with our services page. We are now going to add the link here. Let's see if there is a link here. For now, no link. Okay, URL, there's no link for now. So once we are done with our services, we'll just add our services link so that the button will take them to our services. So let's save this first work that we've done. So let's unmark this so that we'll check the next place. This is okay, right? So the next part now here, this is okay, always true profession, but we'll change it to view our services too, right? Although this one is already, oh, we have two road services. We have two road. This was when our pixel was seeing nice. That was when we downloaded this. But let's change it to the next one, which is air, right? Let's copy this. We already know the position for this. Let's click on edit. Let's bring it up and change it to air. Then let's copy this. I'll have to be fast at this point because you already know what we are doing here, right? So let's change this. Then let's copy this whole write-up and paste here. Okay, I think that's all. So let's find image for air travel. Air travel. Oh, yeah, I didn't even spell it well. So let's search for something. One of this is not bad, but I would love it when there is a view. Okay, people going inside the plane, right? Let me just see. Black. Blacks. Okay. There is more like watermark on all this. Nope, 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 nope. I don't think this will give me what I want. Let's go with either of this just to show that it's air. But I don't like more like landmark. Okay, I think I'll just go with the first one here. Are you sure this image will come out well? Okay, I think this one will come out well for me. There is going to, the size is not the same thing with the size we have up there, right? So let's try uploading it and see what we have to. Let's upload. This is it. Let's see what we have. Okay, we'll manage it. Yep. Okay, the image is, although the image is too big. So we'll change this thing to, instead of this our services, let's just call it view our services, right? Let's leave it there. I want everything to be uniform, so let's save this job, and we are making effort so far. So let's remove this. This is not bad. Then the next one here. Okay, this is already for riders, right? We already have this here, which is this one here. This is this. That's what we have there. So the only thing we have to do is to change the image. So let's say this is not bad. I think I'm in love with this one. Do you know why? But there's license in it, so let me look for something that will be neat too. The speed. That means we deliver with speed, you get. There's license. So okay. I'm looking at something that doesn't have. Okay, let's go with this that doesn't have license. You get, so you can get images, but you know why I'm scared of using images from Google sometimes is because of the copyright and all those stuff. But this pixel now doesn't have copyright, so that's why I usually used to use it. But here now you can see a very neat image, but there is copyright on it, and yeah, that will be a dent to your website because of copyright and stuff like that. So okay, it's done loading. Let's add it up and see what we have. This is actually not bad. This is actually not bad. Ah, God, okay. Just give me a minute. What? That means you go stand, you know, go to talk. Where you dey go? Where you dey go? I will buy from you too. I beg now. I beg now. Precious, I beg. Wow. This is actually not bad. The quality is still there. The speed is still there, and so let's change this into view our services, right? View our services. This is not bad. Okay, let's leave it like this. So let's save this work. Okay, we are done saving. So let's go to the last part, which is this. So we are changing this to this for C travel. Let's copy. I'll be fast. Let's click on edit. This super will be C travel. We paste. We bring this. We copy this. We paste this. We paste. And we also copy this. We paste here. Let's paste it here. So I think this is okay. So let's remove it and let's save. Oh, images. Let's get C travel delivery. C travel. Let's see what we have. This is not bad. CNN. I think this should give me my quality, right? No copyright. Is it saving this? Why did I even click on save? Okay. Okay. So let's click on edit again and let's change this image to the one we just downloaded. This is it. That's it. We have, oh, too bad. Let's find another bigger image. A bigger one. This will give me what I want. That's just if it's the same thing. Let's see what we have here. So sometimes if the image is not in accordance to, pray this will give me everything. What's wrong? Where are all these images? Let me say this. Okay, I think this should be the best fit. I think so, but let's check it out though. Okay, done downloading. Let's see. Wait, are you sure we have this within the right place? Let me see. Oh shit. Sure, I didn't change much. Okay, wait. Let's see the, let's change this, right? The image you have here, let's see the size. I can't find it, right? But this image now, I'm just trying to get the width of the image. Okay, let me try something. Since all these ones are working very fantastic here, let's see where the problem is coming from. Okay, I think it's from the size, because it's fitting in here. Let me check out maybe another one. Ship travel. Let me just see ship travel. Let me see the change. If they will give me a bigger image. Let me see this. See this. Okay, let's use this. That's if it will give us the bigger look. Okay. At this iStore, that means they will have license with it too. That's just the bad part of it. That iStore, they will have watermark safe. I'm so sure they'll have watermark. For it to be delaying itself, I know that something is wrong. Let's use it. Okay. You see, let me look for there's no watermark. I can't find, but maybe you will definitely see watermark somewhere. So let's also change this to view our services, right? So let's save this. Let's see how it looks. Okay, let's save this. So we are done with this part. You see, this one is very simple. We are done with this part and we are done saving it. So going down, let's do this next part, which is this part here. This part here. There's a more button here. There's a button to expand this. So this is the prompt I gave my ChatGPT. I still have another section with 4 different space to talk about our services. Give me more content that is concerned and will make clients choose us. So this was given to me. End-to-end logistics management. I will just copy it. So you have to maybe organize your own prompt, right? Sorry, there's it. Let's change it. Paste. Let's copy this. I'll just have to be fast. So the write-up is ending here because I want it to be in accordance so that we won't do much editing. Do you get? So that everything you're doing will just be fast. Okay, from pickup to final, we handle every step. Enjoy stress-free logistics. Let me just leave it here. Let me delete this part so that it should be in accordance to what we have there. So it's the same thing, the same line, right? Oh, I think it shifted small. Okay, we can manage that. Sorry. So this next part is real-time tracking. Let's copy this real-time tracking. So you can make everything we are doing is to make it suit what we have, what we need, and what we are working on by changing everything. Even we know we are not done with this part, this home page, because the background itself, the background within this, we are going to still change it, so we'll still come back to that. But to build time, let's finish up this first. So paste this. Okay, our smart tracking systems gives you live updates. I'll stop it there. Take it back and put the full stop there. So let's now just do for this to save secure handling. Let's put that here. Paste this here, and let's get the content. Let's get this content. We prioritize careful handling, secure packaging. Let me delete this first and delete this. Then this is what I need here. Okay, this better off. Then the last one is fast and quality production. Let's just say 24. This is the Martin 24/7 247 support. That's our support thing. They are active to deliver, right? So let's do that. Let's change the content. This is it. Paste this. Dedication team is ready to assist you anytime. Please let it end here. Okay, let's put exclamation, right? Okay, so let's look at what we have. This is not bad, they're in alignment, right? But one thing we'll have to change now is these icons here. This is not giving this is not giving this. So let's see if we can choose something that will be good. Let's check all the icons available. So we are talking about end-to-end, what is that? So end-to-end logistic management. So let's look for this. It came with the team. So end-to-end, 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 end-to-end. I'm looking like something. I think this, I'll be choosing this. Why I would choose this is because of that flash I'm seeing there. That means I think it's way much better than having a spinner or something. This tracking, right? Real-time tracking. Let's look at something that will give that. That's a book, so I will choose that because of that book. Real-time tracking, yeah. This safety. Let's see if we can get something different for safety. Safety. This is not bad for safety from my own end. I think this 24 hours time is okay because of the time I'm seeing here. So that we've done that changes, right? It's looking way much better now. So what are we talking about here? So what are we talking about here? Okay, let's just say write a little bit on why customers choose us. Let me see what it's going to give. Why customer choose us. So let's say add title and caption. Add title and caption. So this. trusted by businesses choosing for SEO. Okay, so I think let's see if we can bring that here. Okay, discover company with speed. Okay, discover why company rely on us. I think this should come here first. The one I just copied should come here. Okay, then this one, discover why company rely on us to move what matters. Okay, this should come here, right? Then let's see what we have. Not bad. Then let's come to this body and say we deliver trust, speed, and reality, whether it's across town, continent. Client choose us for our commitment to on-time delivery, transparent communication, tailored logistics, backed by technology. And I think this is way better. Let's copy this and paste it here. What's holding it? Let's paste it. Oh, it's too much. Let me see. It's too much. But we can go with it. It's just the alignment. Let me see what can be done there. Okay. H3 subtitle. Can anything be done there? Okay. Let me take this back. Put W here. I'll leave it like that. Although it's not in good alignment, but yeah, it's just based on the words that are long that is making it break. So this should take them to about us. View about us. This should take them to about us. This image here is not bad, but let's get a better image. Let's say trust. Let's just say trust. I think I'm okay with this, but it's just the image is small. Okay, I think I will love this, but I just pray it suits in. Let's try changing it and see if it will suit in. Okay, this is the last image. Let's see. Boom. We need that image to cover this whole place. Let's look for something else. Trust business. Trust business. Let's just say why cost. Let's see what they will give us. Let's take a look. Not bad. Why choose us? I like this. But this image won't give us everything. Oh, license. Let's paste this, save, and let's paste this. Let me see this. This is big, but let's save it too. And let's know which one will be okay for us. Why you should trust us. Okay, let's upload those two that we just downloaded and see which one will suit what we want. Open which one? Let's select this one first. Okay, let's see. Not bad, but it's not covering. But let's see how it will look like. To me, I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Then this part of this is mainly partners, but we don't have any partners, so we'll leave this. But let's say you have partners, you just change it to their logo. So let's let's do something. You see, you add all the logos. Let me add one. Let me use this as if this is a logo, and let's remove one and leave it there. Okay, I think there's this slide. Okay, let me make sure that it's close to. Why is it not selecting? Why is it not selecting? Let's at least save the one that we've done, that it doesn't disturb to what we've done. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, so let's see. I'm trying to. Okay, this is big, right? It's big, but at the same time, let's check out something. So you have to maybe edit it and reduce the size. But if all the logos you have is in this size, it can suit in. It can suit in. But maybe because this is just bigger. But if you have something, let's try looking for something small. Let's see how it will suit in. Let me look for something that is like a right top. All the images we have here, this is already the one that came with it. Okay, let's look at this. Since this is a right top, let's see how it will look like. Yes, you see, this is a logo and a right top. It's almost the same thing with what we have here. You see, it's in accordance with all of them. So when you are adding anyone, make sure that they are all the same height so that it doesn't look scattered. Then this part, we don't need this part from my own end, so we don't need this part, this particular part, because let's not make the side too bulky, right? So this particular section, which is section 5, we have to delete it. Boom, it will go. Let's see how it will look. Here to here, here to here is not bad. Here to here is not bad. So we are going to leave this part. We are going to leave this part. Then this is for our team. This is our team. We have to make them. If you have different head of each department, you can use them here. That's head of each department. Maybe you have the head of logistics, marketing, production. Okay, since it's logistics, yes, head of branch, just something like that can come in here. So this is the task I'm giving you here. I want you to change this. Let me see how many is here. You just have just 4 of them. It's not a slideshow. Oh, so the challenge here is you do this part. I want you to do this part. Change this, change the write-ups, change this, leave all these buttons. Just change these images here, this, and get a better image. You can even use your image and people you have around and put their name, so that you tell them, please help me evaluate my website, and they will see their face and stuff like that. So you can put your friends' pictures here, and also that's challenge one that I'm giving input I'm not doing. So you'll be the ones that will do that part, right? For this one, you do that part. Then down here to this testimonial, you are going to work on this testimonial. It's not hard. You get, you know how to, okay, let me give it a prompt so that you see it. Give me 8 different testimonials from business testimonial. So let's take a look at what will be given to us. So let me see. Add more content to their reviews. So let's see what we have. Because that one line, I actually don't like it. So I think this is okay. So you see my prompt. So this is the name, this is their business, this is their name, this is the business they manage, and that's the comment. So you copy their name, this is Jane O, you copy it, put it under name, then their business is this e-commerce store owner, put it there, then you put it here, then this you write up, make sure it's in alignment, you know where you cut it off. Okay, their delivery service is fast, reliable, and always on time. My customers are happier than ever since switching to their logistics team. I have seen 30% drop in delivery complaint. Their professionalism and care have okay. We have tried several logistics companies, but none match their professionalism. They understand. Okay, international shipping. This for shipping, right? This I love how easy. Okay, it is to track my shipment. Okay, it is shipment to okay from Lagos to Port Harcourt. They have never missed a deadline. Their road logistics are it is for our road. Their drivers is for our road. This their see okay, speed matters in my business and air is for air. So maybe you just choose randomly, right? And you do this. Then this is known as call to action. This is known as call to action. This is where you want them to maybe fill a form. You want them to fill a form. You want them to book something, right? You want them to fill a form. You want them to book something. So here, here. I'm just thinking of let me see. I have this section for call to action. Call to action. Give me content. All these my prompts are very funny, but let's see what it will give us. Ready to move with confidence. Let's handle your logistics while you focus on growing your business. Okay, book a pickup now. I think this can be a very good title for that. This place, right? So let's get that done. Let's put this here. Paste. Let's okay. I think this caption should come. Copy. Let me see what will be okay. Let me see if this will be okay here. Paste. Let's undo view to open. Okay. Then speak with our team. Book a pickup now. Start shipping today. Speak with our team. I'm comparing between book a pickup now and speak with our team, but I will go with this so that if you say book a pickup now. Book a pickup now. I don't know, but this sounds more friendly. They will become okay. What are you booking? But to me, this sounds friendly. But I'll go with this, right? So I will change this to that. Then paste. This should take them to contact us page. That means this is our contact us page. So when we are done building our contact us page, we bring it here. Right? Speak with our team. Let me see what we'll have with that. Our team. Let's see what we have. How do you speak with our team? Speak with our team. This is actually not going to speak with our co-founder. No, nope, 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 nope. Speak with our team. So far, so good. I must say, I'm comfortable more with this particular one due to the image size, right? That's why I'm comfortable with it. But let's see how it will turn out. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Very small. Very small. Okay. Very small. Let me see if this will save us. Let's take a look at the saving grace. Okay. Let's see this small. Okay, yeah. Thank God. It's saving us. So this is okay, right? For me, this is okay. Let's do this. Let's go up and let's save what we've done and come back. Come back. Don't forget you are doing these two places. This is okay to take them to contact us. The other ones to take us services and this, right? So now this part is the blog part. This is the blog part. This is mainly for blog, right? This is mainly for blog. So when we work on our blogging, we are going to have this done. When we work on our blogging, this is the blog post. We'll come back to this place. So how many sections? Okay, we're almost done. We are removing this part definitely. So I want us to finish this home page. That's why. Okay, this part is just to. Although for my own end, I think I can leave this part too, but for your business, you need to change it. So this is what I will do. I'll copy everything here, right? Change. Okay. Change this to fit my own business. Okay. Let's just paste it. Let's see what we have. Okay. Let's just see what we 30 project. Not bad. Let's just put it there. For the putting sake. Okay. But you can make changes, so depending on what you are building for that person though. You can this, you can actually make changes. I'm looking for something. Okay. This number 30 plus is a counter which you can change it to, right? This 99%. Okay, let's change this. So you can change both the figure and both the title and everything. Okay, let me make changes to this. Okay, project success rate 98%. It's having 99%. Employee, okay, 120. Dedicated employee. So we are changing the title this time around then to dedicated employees. So let's just copy this. Let's change it to dedicated employees and let's change it to 120, right? 120. So 120 for 250. Okay, 250 worldwide. Let's put it 250 and let's get that done. Add 5 there. 250. So that's cool. This is good. Let's see how it looks like. Not bad. So this part now, when we are working on the contact us form, we are not changing anything here, right? But when we are working on the contact us form, I will show you how you can edit the form so that every messages that they are putting here, when they click on this submit, it will take it to your email. You see there, you see it in your email. So now for this part, this is the address, the component address. Maybe if they have 2 different branches, you can even make it 3 here, right? So you have to handle this part. So change this address to something that suits what you want. It's very simple. Just come there and highlight, change the address, highlight, change the address, change the emails, change the phone numbers. So this is the challenge I'm giving you, proof. So do it. This is for the map. If they have the API key for their own map, you get it and put it, which will give the address to their particular location for their office, right? That's if they have it. But for the meantime, we don't have any API key. But I'll also teach you how to get API keys. Should in case the company wants you to buy for them, it's easily from Google. It's not really hard and all. So for this particular part, we are deleting it. So we are removing it. Let's see how it looks. We are removing it. I think it's looking okay like this. So just do everything. This is not much. How many? Let me see total of how many sections. It's not much. This is a total of say 11 sections, although there are few things that doesn't have anything inside. 11 sections. So do it, and for this one I said when we are doing the blog part, we are going to come to it. Do everything here. I started from this place. Watch the video carefully. Don't skip. Just watch it carefully. Do this, the 4 parts here. You do this part. Look at my prompt and do this part too. Do this part. I want to see you change few things here. Do this part yourself. Do this part yourself. That's the 2 challenges I'm giving you. Then do this part. Leave this part, skip it. Then do this part. Although this is longer, but I'll still leave it. Leave this part, nothing should be done here. Do this part and remove that map. Do everything and send across your link for me to review it. Also share with your friends to review it, and we'll also learn how we can work on the footer, this footer section, everything here. We'll also learn how to work on it maybe in the next class. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe and yeah, leave your comments, that's your attendance and all. So I will save this. Let's go up. I will save this and I will wait for your submission. All right, do have a nice time and bye. My battery is even low. Okay, let's end this.